Hello again, and welcome back to our series, Speak English Beginner. I'm Baraka, and I'm excited to continue our journey together. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on something very practical and useful, asking for directions. Knowing how to ask for directions is essential, especially when you're in a new place. It can help you find your way to restaurants, stores, landmarks, and much more. Let's get started. Asking for directions is not only about finding your way, but also about making connections and practicing your English. Imagine you're in a foreign city and you need to find a restaurant. Being able to ask for directions clearly and understand the response is a valuable skill. Plus, it's a great way to interact with locals and improve your language skills. Let's begin with some key phrases that will help you ask for directions. These are simple but very effective. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station?
How do I get to the airport?
Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the library? How do I get to the beach? Great! These phrases are your starting point. Now, let's learn some essential vocabulary that you'll need to understand directions. These words will help you follow instructions and navigate your way. Left, right, straight, near, far. Repeat after me. Left, right, straight, near, far. Excellent. Let's put these words into context with some examples. Imagine you're looking for a popular restaurant in town. Here's how you might ask for directions and what you might hear in response.
Excuse me, can you help me? Where's the best pizza place around here?
Sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The pizza place will be on your right.
Let's try another scenario. This time you're looking for a famous landmark.
Excuse me, how do I get to the Central Park?
Go straight for 3 blocks, then turn right at the traffic lights. The park will be straight ahead, near the big fountain.
Notice how we use the directional words in these examples. Understanding and using these words will help you navigate any city with ease. Now it's time to practice. I'll play the role of a tourist, and you'll be the helpful local. Let's go through a dialogue together. Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to the nearest coffee shop?
Go straight for 1 block, then turn right. The coffee shop is near the bookstore.
Great job! Let's switch roles now. You asked me for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station?
Sure. Go straight for 4 blocks, then turn left at the big intersection. The train station is far, but you'll see it on your right. Excellent! Keep practicing these dialogues, and you'll become more comfortable with asking and giving directions in English. That's it for Lesson 2, Asking for Directions. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these phrases and vocabulary in real-life situations or with a friend. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to order food and drinks, another essential skill for any English learner. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next lesson. Stay tuned for Lesson 3, Ordering Food and Drinks. Thanks for watching and happy learning. See you next time.